Good evening. This is Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting. Guys, we learned nothing from our past mistakes. And I don't know whether we learned nothing or we do not want to learn nothing. Because these two are different things. One is, like Einstein said, if you do one mistake, it's okay. No worries. But if you repeat the same mistake, it is not okay. This is Einstein said. So people do mistake, there is no doubt. Like Shane Warne also said that he did many mistakes. But he learned from all mistakes which he made in cricket. And result, he became a legendary spinner around 800 wickets in cricket matches. Exceptional record, Shane Warne. So, in India, when we speak about capital markets, strictly speaking, we learned nothing. Billions of dollars of investors is being washed out. Billions of dollars of investors is being washed out in Zomato, Policy Bazaar, Car Trade, Nikea, your restaurant brands of Asia, and many other loss-making companies, not to mention Paytm. Billions of dollars of investor money is being washed out. And I made a detailed video in that regards. It's under editing and soon you would have that. I term this as the largest organized scandal of the globe. Even after that, Delhi Very, who reported around 3,200 crores worth of IPO losses in the last 4 years, they raised the money from the public. You see what is going to happen with Delhi Valley. And now, guys, there is a news coming about an aviation company called Go Air. This article I have downloaded from Indian media. This is dated 17th May 2022. Now let me first study. Wadia Group owned Go First plan to hit the public markets by end of June or early July. The airlines which got approval from market regulators SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, for its IPO last year, had held back its IPO first due to emergence of Omicron and then to avoid the clash with LIC IPO. Anyways, how fairly LIC IPO is doing, we all aware. As we making this video, 68,000 crores. You heard me very right. 68,000 crores, which is approximately 9.5 billion, near about worth of market cap is shaved off in LIC. I'm not going to be reading these articles. I went to Go Air website, and in the Go Air website, I downloaded the annual report. And you know that I know how to study the balance sheet. That's the more important thing, because this is something I also advocate investors that you should study the balance sheet. Be it a profitable company, be it a loss-making company, but if you are studying the balance sheet, you would continue to make profits because it will help you. I repeat, it will help you to decide whether you are going to be investing your capital or you are not going to be investing your capital. But the hard reality is people do not study the websites or the annual reports because they do not knew this about. That's a big problem. Do you know, guys, I have taken the financial statement as of 31st March 2020, and this is standalone financial statement because we are talking about a standalone entity. As of 1st April 2018, the retained earnings is negative 584 crores. Negative 584 crores. In 2019, financial year 2019, retained earnings is minus 469 crores. In 2020, it is minus 1749 crores. I'm sure that you people never heard about what the hell is retained earnings. Retained earnings is much more important than the bottom line, which is also known as PAT, profit after tax. The people, those who knew the valuation, they always study the retained earnings. In US parlance, we call this as outstanding losses. Do you know the outstanding losses in the books of Paytm is 12,500 crores. 12,500 crores. In the books of Ola, it is 17,500 crores. 17,500 crores. And even after having the retained earnings, which is negative, and this page I have taken from their website. So this is not a confidential information which I am revealing. This is on their website. The IPO approval has been granted. And that raises a big question to me. That raises a very big question to me because if a company is not operationally profitable, whether you are a restaurant company, you are an aviation company, you are a telecom company, you are a bank, you are a hedge fund, or whatever you are, if you are not operationally profitable, then how can you be allowed to raise the money from the public? Didn't we learn from Zomato, Paytm, Policy Bazaar, Nikea, Cartrade, Restaurant Brands of India, of Asia, and many such loss-making companies? How long we continue to play with the retail investor money? How long? How long? But anyways, I'll continue to make videos. This is Rahul Magan from Teshi Consulting Group. Have a great time.